Yes, me a chat loud. Come me chat start you go like you not hear me.
You're too lie.
Babes, come inside, me put out now. We all the time come so much nicer for.
Me not come inside. If you can tell me more lie. Me say you got your mother. You tell me say you got your mother, you know. Where your mother live? Your mother live in Canada. So tell me now, you never have passport. So when you tell me say you got your mother now, tell me where you left your go now. Eh? Tell me now, tell me the truth now. Where you left your go now? Eh? So but me never find out say Canada your mother live. Every weekend you go to your mother. Eh? Where you go for a weekend? Tell me now. You tell me about coming out house.
Babes, I'm the next mother that man. Me tell you about her already.
What you mean the next mother? You mean your mother-in-law? Eh? Better you go on, you know. Better you go on, you know, I tell you.
Hey, tapping eyes over there, so I'm call the police for you, man.
When you can call police, when you see me over here tell lie, when them come, we give them bun and cheese and joe.
Never raise my voice, you know. We just did that procrastinate.
Morning, Grandma. Morning. How you doing? Alright? Yeah, man. A blessed day, yeah? Okay. Yeah, man, Grandma.